Today we show you how to set up the Netgear EX7300 EX7300 Nighthawk X4 Wi-Fi mesh extender in just a few easy steps. First, gather your Netgear EX7300, your router, and a smartphone or computer. Plug the extender into an outlet, ideally halfway between your router and the area needing better coverage. Connect your device to the default extender network, typically named Netgear EXT. Open your web browser and enter mywifi.ex.net. Log in using the username admin and the password password. Follow the setup wizard to select your existing Wi-Fi network and enter its password. Choose whether to keep the same Wi-Fi name and password or create new ones for the extender. Position the extender where the LED lights indicate a good connection to your router. Connect your devices to the extender and check your internet speed in the coverage area. If you have issues, restart your router and extender or reset the extender if needed. And that's it. You have successfully set up your Netgear EX7300.